Hello friends, welcome back to the barn out here at St. Bernard Acres. This is Sunday, May 26th. I'm going to try to get this old Craftsman mower going. It's not really that old, it's a 2012. I bought it, I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago for $100. And I've been using it. It's kind of hard cutting out here, so it hasn't had a very easy life. And this spring, when I started getting everything together, this wouldn't start. Nothing I could do to get it to start, messing with it. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna take the air filter off, get to the carburetor. I have some carburetor cleaner and some brake clean. I'm gonna try to clean it all up and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, I'm not going to take the carburetor off and try to rebuild it or anything like that, because on Amazon you can get a new carburetor, all new gaskets, new springs, new spark plug, new filters, I mean everything for $20. If I can squirt some carb cleaner into it and clean out the bowl, then great, I'll use it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna order the kit from Amazon and do it all at one time. But let's see if a little carb cleaner might help this thing get going again. I'll try to set you up where you can watch me. All right, I don't know how well this is gonna work out as far as filming goes. Let me take the filter cover off. I'm also gonna take out the plug to look at it. All right. Filter's seen better days, but it's not that bad. It's not gonna stop it from running. Okay, let me take these two bolts off so I can get back to the carburetor. Get my sockets out. Where's Bruce? Where you find it? I think I'll get that take the cover off. And these. Is it off? I think so. Okay, yep. It's the outside again. All right, there's the carburetor. That's where I need to be. Make sure everything is moving freely, as it should. That's my fuel line going in. There's my bowl that I'm going to try to get off of there and clean out. If I clamp off the fuel line, put it back here so it's out of my way. All right, that should help. Now there should be some fuel come out of it when I crack this. Yes. All right, that doesn't look too bad. A little varnishy, but the float's all good. There's a little bit of garbage in the bottom of it, but not a lot. Let me go dump that out and get my carb cleaner. I'm gonna try to spray everything through here. Just make sure all the dirt's out. Then I'll take out the plug, see what it looks like. I'll be right back. There's little holes in this. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm gonna clean that as well. I gotta be careful of the gaskets. Don't want to mess that up. Let me clean this off real quick. That's just clean everything off in there. Now let me squirt some carburetor cleaner in there. Got some gum out, carb spray. All right, that should be enough. While that's drying up, let me take out the plug and see what it looks like. Because that could be part of the problem as well. It's more than likely the original plug that was in it. Oh yeah. There you go, folks. It will get in focus like it's supposed to. You will see that that is a bad spark plug. That thing is not even worth cleaning. So while everything dries, I'm gonna run up to Rural King, get a new plug, and get a new air filter. Come back, put this back together, and see if I can make it run. All right, so I went into town, went to Rural King, got a new plug, got a new filter. And I put the carb bowl and everything back on, thinking the camera was on. But I put this back together. I'm gonna give this all a shot and see what happens. Let me put this back together. I wanted to show on the carburetor bowl, there's like an O-ring gasket that you have to put on it before you put it back up there so the fuel doesn't drip out of it. But all I did was clean out the carb bowl and spray carburetor cleaner into the carburetor. And it's got fresh gas in it. I did put a little bit of seafoam in the gas. Just kind of help it. And a new plug, and we'll see how this thing works. Well, I'll tell you what, Rural King's like everybody else, I guess. Can't find anybody to help you. Took me forever to find the lawnmower parts. And then try to find the right plug. Well, don't that look pretty? And there's so much dust and dirt out here. I'm amazed how long that lasted. Just a little past snug. All right, now for the main test. Let me change set the camera up a little better. Clean up my mess. Telling you, this is the way you have to do things these days. But the cost, of lawnmowers now is insane. Even buying used ones. And I'm telling you, it's hard to find anybody that does small engine repair anymore. So you be a little resourceful and you try this. If this works, I may get another dozen years out of this lawnmower. Because it is a beast, I will say that. Nice Briggs & Stratton engine. Well, there you go, folks. It works. It started up. Took a couple took it a minute. Choke kicked on. Once it warmed up, the choke kicked off. It's never done that before, so I think that cleaner, the brake clean and the carb clean, is what it really needed. Thing's perfect. Cut great. Once again. So Got my self-propelled mower back now. I don't have to push that Murray around. This is a heavy duty mower. The Murray, or not Murray, the Troy Bill will be good for Gale up around the cabin. But yeah, $3.50 for the spark plug, $2.50 for the filter, and you know, a couple cans of cleaner that I already had. So there it is. You know, this is an electric start mower. If I wanted to buy a battery and charger for it, I could do it. But I mean, it has always fired up, so I haven't needed the electric start. But she's a runner, boys and girls. This is Joe out here at the barn at St. Bernard Acres. Hope y'all are having a good day. I'm out.